Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up AWS EC2 for web hosting, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log into your AWS account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once logged in, look for EC2 in the service search bar. Click on EC2 to access the EC2 dashboard. In the EC2 dashboard, locate and click on the Launch Instance button. You will be presented with a selection of Amazon Machine Images, or AMIs. Choose an AMI that suits your needs, such as the Amazon Linux or Ubuntu. Click on the Select button next to your chosen AMI. Next, you'll choose an instance type that dictates your server resources. For basic web hosting, the T2.micro instance type is often sufficient. Click the Next, Configure Instance Details button to proceed. In the instance configuration page, set the number of instances to launch. Adjust network settings if necessary, ensuring it's in the right VPC. Click Next, Add Storage to move to the storage configuration. Review the default storage size or adjust it based on your needs. Click Next, Add Tags to add metadata to your instance if desired. Tags can help organize and manage your AWS resources. Once done, click Next, Configure Security Group. Create a new security group allowing HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Make sure to allow SSH access from your IP address for secure management. Click Review and Launch to check your configurations one last time. After reviewing, click the Launch button. A prompt will appear asking you to select a key pair. If you don't have a key pair, create a new one and download it securely. After downloading, check the acknowledgement box to confirm you have the key pair. Finally, click Launch Instances to start your EC2 instance. After a few moments, your instance will be running and accessible. To connect to your EC2 instance, go back to the EC2 dashboard. Select your instance and click on the Connect button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.